G'day, it's Phil from PT Precision. Got an interesting one here today. This is a Toyota Kluger 2013 model. It's a 2GRFE engine. Had a misfire, went to a workshop, said it was coils and plugs. When they came here, we said, yeah, it possibly could be. It's only got 80,000 Ks on it. I thought a bit premature for coils, but possibly plugs. It's got bad service history on this one. So we had a quick look at it. There was misfires, there's all random misfires. Cylinder 1, cylinder 5, coil D, coil F, a few other, a whole heap of codes. On further inspection, we ended up finding there was no compression in number 5 cylinder. So this is it's an east-west, so this is the back cylinder, and we found that in the camshafts, the exhaust cam, the actual valve spring is broken. I don't know if you can see that properly, but this valve spring is busted, snapped. Actually, you can see that in there. Did you get that? Yeah. So we thought, quicker, we can't get down the side here because it's too tight. So we've got to pull these chains off, pull the cams out, and we're possibly just going to replace the broken valve spring, put it back together, and hopefully we'll load the cylinder with compressed air. Hopefully that's sealed, put it back together. But bit of a job, but quicker to pull the motor and gearbox out, strip the front down, get this apart, than trying to do it in the car. And this way we can be sure that we've got the timing chains all sorted out properly as well. Bit of an interesting one, yeah? So we've got this one stripped down. We've got Matt here from the other workshops, too scared to do anything here. So, too scared to take this sort of shit on. But massive job, kept it in the cradle. Engine, bottom part of the engine sump has to come away to get the front timing case off, because there's the oil strainer and that whatnot in here. So you have to drop this down. It's a bit of a battle. We've managed to do it in here. Got the cams out. You can clearly see this one's busted. This spring, this spring. I think Mike said I was the exhaust, but it's the inlet side here. So we're pretty confident it's just going to be the spring replacement in that. So we'll remove that. The rest of them look okay. So we'll just do that one. Big job. Right, so we're just testing the leak down on this to make sure that the valves are seen, just in case the valves are hit at all the piston. Doesn't appear to be. We've got a pretty good seal rate within the chamber. So we've got the also leak down tester on here. So this is that's very acceptable. So what we'll do now, the piston's obviously all the way down the ball. What we do, pull this off, rotate the engine up, put the piston up the top here. We'll remove the valve springs and collars, seats. So, and then we'll take these springs away, and we'll get a couple of new springs. Oh, you can actually spin that around here. So, anyway, I'll put some new springs on there, and I think that'll be done. The rest of them will all look aside. The other side looks okay as well. So, I think that'll be that. This lady's lucky. Okay, so we finished this one, putting it all back together. It was just a broken valve spring and inlet. It's just snapped, this valve spring. So we've just replaced one. All the rest of them all seem to be okay. It's running beautiful now, like it's nice and smooth, like that's sitting there pretty perfectly. So no misfire, no nothing. Massive job. It's about a 16-hour job or so by the time you clean it all down and do everything. So just for one spring, you can't get to the valve springs whilst the cams are in place. So anyway, it's good, beautiful.